Dear diary, why can't I have a normal day like everybody else? Why my day always has to be a competition? Is there a better life out there for me? Or is just this my type of lifestyle? I have a mother. She feel like she's smart.
Guess what now? I think you have to go give one of the cow them and two of them go out there, you know? And then we try see what we can do for you, talk to my daughter and see if she agree with what me say. Me never tell her say I go get my daughter, you know, but I go talk to my daughter for you and try to line up it for you so something can put in two little words for you so something can go on for you.
So what you have to say, money can...
Me get permit, but I rip a boy then rip me off. The police then take my money and dig the permit and all of that, give me one paper and so. Bro, the artist then forward, bro, and couldn't perform. Me have to refund back people all their money and so.
So you tell me that money?
Right, that's so 4 million just go so. Whoops. Bro, look for me. Actually, I'm my brother, you know. You can't agree on anything, you know, bro. You can't agree on anything, you know.
I'm just a call enough, make you know, say. I really go around you much, you know. You know, you go try to check it. Because that you really, you know, make, you know, feel like if you forward down or something. Because you never want to forward, you know.
And then again, you like tell me say you have 4 million stash or somewhere. So you just start life with me, but we just say.
What you say?
The little money where you get, you take it and do ear. Put in locks in a ear, long locks. Like your rasta. You love fake it. I'm not wrong you. Fake it until you make it, but you're doing it the wrong way. As a great man, when you come back here, I pull out every strand of locks out of your head.
2 million.
Yeah.
Alright.
So if I not me owe you. You understand?
Alright, then my father. So, then time there, you know.
Yeah, I mean, man, respect our manners and so forth. So we shall get it. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
really
man.
appreciate what you do for me still.
What, look
You know what I
at
mean?
Alright, my father. Yeah, man, if you...
Yeah, man, everything's there, man.
Yeah, man.
Cash it. You know what I mean? So, yo, I touch back the road and so
Alright,
on.
my father.
See it?
Alright. Yo. Okay, no, man. Abracadabra, you know. Now you see me, now you don't.
Where would I be if I didn't have you, marijuana? Where would I be if I didn't have you by my side? Where would I be if the sun never shined upon me? Where would I be? Oh, where would I be when the weight of the world come down upon my shoulder?